on a bar.
Nice fish.
Nice little slab, eh?
Nice fish. He's going to take off again.
Oh yeah.
Go nice and right here and square. What do you got on there? Yeah, nice springer. Boy, you sure swallowed that. Oh,
Man,
right.
you take that. Yeah.
That was an aggressive hit.
There you go. Nice, solid fish, eh? Woo! Fish. Nice, solid fish.
Way to go, buddy.
Nice, solid.
Nice work, dude.
Now, David, number 2. Yeah, I think you should.
This is a small one. I don't think it's 20.
To release her?
I'll pass the word on to the skipper.
I don't know. That's
Oh,
I
no,
don't
maybe
know.
not.
I don't know if he's under 20. You see him fighting there? Look.
Oh, man.
I don't know about that. I think it's a bigger fish than you think. Look at that. That's okay. Yeah, you just go around to your left. Yep.
See if I'm getting like the first person video here.
I think we better turn to the other way.
He's turning the right way there now.
You might want to bring him over on this side.
Yeah, get on that side of the boat, Don.
Stay with him there. Wheel up.
You got him. He's good.
Coming in. Move that side.
Yeah, hard gear
Left, yeah. Turn around.
Hard gear left.
Now listen, because fish is listening.
You're good.
Oh, look at that. He's. Oh, that's a
Oh,
nice fish.
nice.
That's a nice fish.
That's a nice one, buddy.
That's a beauty. Look how long he is, too, eh?
Funny.
That's a nice fish.
Not quite there yet, eh?
Nope, he's going to go again. Look, take down deep.
Here we go.
Oh, that was a...
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Oh, he's hooked in the bottom too.
Bring him over this way. Over this way. A little closer. A little closer.
Got him. Nice fish.
Biggest one of the day.
Nice fish, Tony.
Nice fish, Tony.
Nice work, buddy.
Fish, guys, look at this. Look at that.
That's a
nice
fish.
Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a pig, man.
That gonna hit 30?
Woohoo! Oh yeah, you got a nice one, Mikey.
Keep tight, bud. Rod up.
Oh, sorry. There you go, buddy.
Get in there.
Stay on it.
He's there. He's there.
I'm getting tired. You want me to tell you, Mike? You okay? Fuck that.
Mike hasn't even got a spring in the boat yet.
Keep on him, buddy. Keep on him.
Barbless.
Coming at you.
Use your rod tip as the sponsor comes out. Hard to your left.
Hard left, Tony.
Square to the fish and put her in neutral.
Feel the burn yet?
Oh yeah, he's not gonna feel that line.
He did. Whale.
Oh, there he is.
Swimming at us. When he sees the boat, he's gonna take off again.
Gonna fuck off, yeah.
There he goes again already. The fucker.
Oh, that's a nice one. That looks pretty.
Look at that.
That looks pretty.
Hey, to your left.
You wanna go gear?
Hard left, yeah.
Gear and hard to your right now. Sorry.
All right, switch sides. Switch sides.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Look at that, boys.
Oh yeah.
Hard to your. Okay, now where's he going now? Bugger's gonna go left now. Oh no, he'll come back now.
Lower back.
He'll come
Hey.
back. He'll come back. That's good.
Go behind you.
Bastard.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Let him run. Let him run. Oh yeah.
Feel the burn, buddy. Feel the burn.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, bugger! Look at him.
Look at him. Surfing.
Okay.
USA. Now hard left.
Hard left.
Hard left.
Hard left, George. Hey, nope. That's it. Oh, nice fish. Hey, back up. Back up.
Back up. You good? You good? You good? You good?
Back up. Back up.
Got him! Woo! Woohoo!
Nice fish. Nice fish.
The dry spell is over, Mikey.
Yeah, Mikey.
Well,
Nice
Dave's
fish.
got one.
Look at that.
Nice fish, Mikey! Woohoo!
Oh, Dave's got one. Oh,
Dave's got one.
Nice fish, Mikey. This is what it's all about right there.
You got the reel?
yeah.
Dave, that's nice.
Woo!
Get that other one in.
Woo! Oh, get it, get it, get it. He's coming up. He's coming to the surface back there. Way back there.
It's a good fish.
He's up.
Fish another 4 minutes of the tree. I see it right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, that's what I figured there at the clock. Hey, Mr. Connor, if you want to turn around.
Mike, reel, reel.
How you doing for line?
A lot, lots.
Are you back at the rock right now?
You want to turn or
No,
do
no.
anything?
Keep going this way because I want to keep tension on the line.
Is he coming?
I got a lot of line out.
Oh, fuck yeah. That was like mine, dude. That's
Flasher pop yet?
No, he's staying down now. I think this is a really good fish.
Mike, do you want to just put this rod down along that side there?
Yeah.
Ton of line there.
Watch. Don't put it by his feet, though.
yeah, no.
Watch
He's
it.
up, he's up.
Right on the side.
Yeah.
Flasher.
Yeah, no.
Which side?
Can you stop the video and start a new
I
one?
just
Okay.
did.
Took off.
Oh man, did you ever? Get on the boat there. Jesus Christ.
Watch, what the hell is that bullshit?
What?
A rope and a buoy there. That's not good.
Okay, it's not going anywhere near
Good,
the
it's
fish.
going on the right.
Go to your left. Yep. Around this way. Yep. It'll stay away from that, whatever's going on with that buoy. I don't know what that's all about.
That's not pretty.
Oh, I see him in the water there.
Good fish. Oh yeah. Look at him here. He's gonna go. Oh, he's a thick fish. Look how heavy he is. Oh yes. That's a nice fish, guys. Oh, nice fish.
Either at the rock or down below where we got the fish.
Go hard to your left, guys.
You might have to go to the other side.
Oh no, you can. The rod will have to go over me.
Are you ready? I'm gonna back up with him.
Not yet.
No?
He's still head shaking. So okay, now bring him in. Come on. Oh, hard left. Come on, we're going away from me.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he
Here
comes.
we go. Oh, got him.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice
fish.
net job. Nice.
There's a nice fish, boys.
That is
That's the biggest one of the day right there.
Woo!
Reno! This is a beauty.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, boys.
Man,
There's
does
a
she run.
nice fish. Look at that.
Yes.
Nice, thick, heavy fish. All right. That's a nice fish. Look how
Pliers.
heavy that sucker is. He's got a little bite on him too or something, trying to take a whack out of him.
There you go. He looks like he's stupid now.
Wow, nice fish. Nice fish.
Got that scale on him.
Go, Tony, go.
Good job, buddy. You kept on that one. You're fresh today. Oh, he's staying deep too. Might be a nice fish. Good one.
Steam low, steam down, eh?
Yeah.
Are you guys splitting all the fish 4 ways? You guys just split the fish 4
Oh
ways?
yeah. Oh yeah.
Then it doesn't matter. Well, that's
Yeah. I just didn't know. Okay.
Neutral?
Just neutral.
Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him
He's
go.
always heading away from shore. That's
Yeah.
a big fish.
That's a big fish.
Oh, let him go. You got a good fish on, Daddy.
This is a big one.
Look at him go up!
Yeah, this is what mine did. See, Mike? Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That's a good fish, baby. That's a good one.
Don't go in the front now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Mike to move it here if he does. Okay, hard right and in gear.
Coming. Where are you?
Good there.
Fucker. Is he in the front?
He's right beside us here. Right here. Keep that rod up a bit.
Yeah, that flasher's gonna come out of the water any minute.
Right here. Right here. Flasher. Up, rod up. Rod up. Rod up. Rod up. Rod up.
Good job.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, he's not as big as I thought, but he's still nice.
It's a crazy fucking runner.
That's a good fish, actually. That's a really good fish.
Crazy runner,
Stop
Tony.
there. Back up. Back up. Oh, he got a slice out of him.
That's the hooks, I think.
Either that or that sea lion.
Yeah, maybe the sea lion.
Okay. Back up. No, he's not ready yet. Come back to the edge. Back to the edge. Reverse. No, hard right. Hard right, reverse. Hard right.
Hard right, reverse. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, that's good. That's good. Give her some shot. Good there, buddy.
Good there.
Keep your rod up a bit, Dad. There you go. There you go. Oh, man, this is.
Nice fish.
It's about 30, I think.
Oh, yeah.
This is my 30 plus, I think.
Push, he's close.
Yeah.
Dude, the video I'm getting right now is unreal.
At least you're getting a nice net job there.
Oh, I'm working on it, buddy.
Yeah. Stay in deep. That's nice, eh?
Oh, no.
It's going on the boat. Rod down, rod down, rod down.
Good job. Good job, Tone.
Good work.
You're doing good. Oh, man, I am getting some sick video.
Oh, man, Tony.
Back up. That is a nice fish right there. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Oh, my God. Wow, what a fish. Woo! 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 Oh!